Hello guys, review POCO F7 Pro, this version 12GB RAM memory and 256GB ROM memory. Open box, look completion. We have POCO 7 Pro with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, massive 6000 mAh battery, perfect display, 50 megapixels camera and IP68. Look completion. In completion we have only cable Type-C and that's all. And protected back cover, protected case. Okay. Display from glass and metal. Power button, wall buttons on this side. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and slot for SIM cards. Turn on device. Okay. Double camera on the back side. Open settings. About phone we have Android 15 and Xiaomi HyperOS version 2. Open Geekbench 6. Look results. We have powerful results. GPU test results. Okay. Look onto the benchmark. Onto the benchmark results. Very good. And PUBG works on the max graphic level. We have a flagman device with very powerful chipset. Open camera. We can record at 8K videos or 4K 60 frame rate. Very good. Now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.